If you've used WordPress very much, you'll notice that there are two main types of posts. When you're building a WordPress site, you can add posts like blog posts and pages for static pages like About Us, Our Team, Contact Us, that kind of thing. What you can also do with WordPress though is build a custom post type, and I'm going to show you what that is and why they can be so great. So this example here from our friends at Carter Engineering, we built them a custom post type for projects. So let's go check out projects. If you've used WordPress before, again, this looks very similar to the posts or pages, the list of those you can get on your site. In this case, it's a list of projects. So we'll click on one. We could add new at the top here, but we'll just click Aldi Food Store to see what it looks like. And so at the top here, we have the normal title and description, just like you would on any other post. You can add whatever text in here you want. You can even add pictures if you want. Although with a well-written custom post type, you typically won't need to. On the right, you can add your featured image, just like you can in any other. But below this is where it gets different. Down here, we have the project title. You can type in the location, the size, some comma-separated project type. You have a testimonial. You can add it in here, and the author of that testimonial. And then further down, you can choose the services that are provided as part of that project. You can just check some boxes there, and you'll see the magic that's performed on those on the front end. And then lastly, you can add some photos. Click Add New, drop some photos in, and that's it. So it's a very simple form to fill out for the project. But where it's neat is if we go to the front here and view it, it automatically assembles all that into a nicely formatted page. The featured image gets blown up big at the top and kind of tucks behind the logo. The description shows up here. We get those pictures from the bottom here with titles, and they automatically blow up in a nice light box. And then the left side, it automatically fills in the content you've added. Location, services provided actually tie back into services on the site. Helpful for search engine optimization. But just really makes it easy. They check some boxes and automatically creates this bulleted list with the text and the links in each one. So you click on land surveying to see how they handle land surveying. Adds the size, the type. If you had a testimony, it would have put that in here automatically. Because you left it blank, it automatically leaves it out. People often ask why you'd want a custom post type instead of just building each page by hand. And you totally could, but if you've used WordPress pages much, you know it can be tricky to format a page and get things to line up right and make sure the pictures don't overlap each other. With this, they just fill in the boxes and everything automatically populates the way it should. Even better, we can automatically pull these custom post types to other pages on the site. So two examples. If we go to the All Projects page and click from the bottom or from the top of the page, it automatically pulls in the different custom post types. There's Zaxby's, took it a second. But so when they add a custom post type, it automatically creates another version of the image to load here and lists them all, and of course they can click to go view it. Even better, on the home page, we have a nifty slider at the bottom that shows off some of their custom post types, and your post type is added here automatically too. We can kind of work our way through, and here's Aldi now, and again we can click on Aldi to go back here, and that image is automatically cropped and resized for maximum speed on the front. So just by adding that one custom post type and filling out this one form, it automatically creates the page, lays it out, adds it to the projects page, adds it to the bottom of the home page, and theoretically could add it other places if we thought it was appropriate. In this case, those were all we needed, and that's still pretty good. You don't need to, if this was a static page, a normal page, you have to build the page, get it laid out, then go to the front page and edit the slider and add a picture for it and link it up, and a lot of pieces to do and a lot of things that can go wrong. And this makes it much more foolproof. You can just kind of add in what you need, leave out what you don't. Like again, in this case, there's no testimonial, so that just doesn't show up at all. Check the boxes here, the way we set that up, and it all just works. So custom post types can be used for a lot of different things. It's often used for projects like this or services. Can be used for homes if you're a realtor. Can be used for staff. A lot of staff pages, staff directories can use those. Can be used for recipes. You can have recipes formatted this way. Anything that's different than a normal varying page, like where you'd have About Us and services and contact. Any consistent type of product or set of data like that can be very well done with a custom post type to keep it organized, and then also, as I showed you, to keep it laid out nicely and consistently on the page. You don't need to worry about trying to remember how big images are or where to line things up. It just happens automatically. So I hope that's helpful. Now you know a little bit more about how custom post types are made.